The 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike stands as the latest evolution in the world of luxury touring motorcycles, a machine designed for riders who want to experience freedom on the open road but with the added assurance, balance, and practicality that only a three-wheeler can deliver. For decades, the Gold Wing name has carried a reputation of being the king of touring motorcycles, celebrated for its refinement, comfort, technology, and smooth performance. Now, with the Trike configuration, Honda has taken everything that riders love about the Gold Wing and elevated it to a whole new level of accessibility, stability, and long-distance touring ability. The Gold Wing Trike is not just a modified motorcycle, it is a purpose-built luxury touring machine that blends two-wheel DNA with the security and presence of three wheels, making it appealing to both seasoned bikers and newcomers who want the motorcycle experience without compromise. At the heart of the Gold Wing Trike is Honda's legendary 1833cc liquid-cooled, horizontally opposed six-cylinder engine, an engine that has been carefully engineered to provide unmatched smoothness, effortless torque, and long-lasting reliability. This flat-six powerhouse is known for delivering a unique character, with a low center of gravity that enhances stability and comfort over long distances. The 2026 version retains all of that signature refinement while adding subtle performance enhancements for efficiency and responsiveness. Riders can expect strong acceleration even with a passenger and luggage fully loaded, making highway overtakes and uphill climbs completely stress-free. Coupled with Honda's 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, the Trike provides both manual control and the convenience of automatic shifting, meaning riders can enjoy a sporty feel when desired or simply relax and cruise without worrying about gear changes. The inclusion of a low-speed reverse gear and even a walking mode ensures that maneuvering this larger machine in parking lots or tight spaces is simple and confidence-inspiring. The design of the 2026 Gold Wing Trike exudes presence and sophistication. While the two-wheeled Gold Wing already stands out as one of the most luxurious motorcycles on the road, the Trike takes it a step further with a broader stance, muscular proportions, and a design that feels integrated and natural rather than aftermarket. The bodywork flows seamlessly from the front fairing to the rear, where the twin rear wheels and wide tail section give the machine a planted, purposeful look. The sharp LED headlights, bold daytime running lights, and sculpted panels add a sense of modern elegance, while premium paint finishes and chrome or dark accents depending on trim level highlight Honda's commitment to craftsmanship. Unlike many aftermarket Trike conversions that can look disjointed, Honda's factory Trike design blends the touring aesthetic with harmony, making it as visually appealing as it is functional. Rider and passenger comfort are key priorities, and Honda has gone to great lengths to ensure that the Gold Wing Trike is one of the most comfortable touring machines available. The seating is spacious and plush, with ergonomically designed rider and passenger positions that allow for all-day travel without fatigue. The passenger benefits from a full backrest and integrated armrests, creating an almost automotive level of comfort. The rider enjoys heated grips, an adjustable seat option, and an electrically adjustable windscreen that can be raised or lowered at the touch of a button to block wind on highways or allow airflow in warmer weather. Both rider and passenger also have access to heated seats, making long journeys in colder climates much more enjoyable. The footrests and riding ergonomics have been tuned to allow relaxed posture over long distances, which is critical for touring riders who may spend several hours a day in the saddle. Storage is another standout feature of the Gold Wing Trike. Touring riders demand the ability to carry gear for long trips, and Honda has responded with a generous array of luggage solutions. The saddlebags on either side, combined with a large rear trunk, provide substantial carrying capacity, easily fitting helmets, travel bags, or camping equipment. There are also smaller storage compartments for personal items, electronics, or quick-access gear. The rear trunk is fully integrated into the Trike's design, maintaining a sleek look while offering functionality. Remote locking ensures security, and the overall cargo space makes the Gold Wing Trike comparable to small cars in practicality, without sacrificing the thrill of motorcycle touring. Technology is another area where the 2026 Gold Wing Trike shines. Honda equips it with a full-color TFT display that acts as the central hub for navigation, audio, and connectivity features. Riders can seamlessly integrate smartphones with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing them to access maps, music, and communication while keeping their focus on the road. The premium audio system has been enhanced for the Trike, delivering crystal clear sound even at highway speeds, ensuring both rider and passenger can enjoy entertainment or navigation prompts without issue. Multiple USB ports, Bluetooth connectivity, and hands-free calling round out the infotainment package, making the Trike feel like a luxury touring car in terms of tech convenience. The Gold Wing Trike also benefits from advanced rider assistance features and electronic systems designed to make riding safer and more enjoyable. Traction control, cornering ABS, and multiple riding modes allow riders to adjust the machine's behavior to match conditions, whether that means maximum power for highway travel or a smoother delivery in wet weather. Honda's electronic suspension system automatically adapts to road conditions, providing a plush and stable ride whether solo, with a passenger, or fully loaded with luggage. Hill Start Assist adds confidence when starting on inclines, while the braking system distributes force effectively across all three wheels, giving strong and predictable stopping power even when carrying a heavy touring load. On the road, the Gold Wing Trike provides a riding experience unlike anything else. The power of the flat-six engine combined with the stability of three wheels creates a sense of confidence and ease, especially on long highway stretches. Cornering feels secure, and the wide stance adds stability even in windy conditions or uneven road surfaces. While it does not lean into corners like a two-wheeled motorcycle, it makes up for that with rock-solid stability, making it ideal for riders who want to avoid the balancing act of a heavy two-wheeler. For many, this stability opens up the touring lifestyle in ways they may have never thought possible, especially for older riders, riders with physical challenges, or simply those who prefer the extra assurance of three wheels. The passenger experience on the Trike is also one of its strongest appeals. With the spacious seat, armrests, and reduced side-to-side lean compared to a motorcycle, passengers can relax more fully, enjoy the view, or listen to music with little concern about maintaining balance. For couples or friends who enjoy traveling together, the Gold Wing Trike makes long journeys feel like first-class travel on two, or in this case, three, wheels. The 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike represents more than just a motorcycle, it is a complete touring solution. It combines performance, luxury, stability, and advanced technology into a package that feels equally at home on a cross-country adventure as it does on a leisurely weekend ride. For many riders, it symbolizes freedom, independence, and the ability to explore without limits, but with the added confidence of knowing the machine is designed to handle any road, any condition, and any distance with ease. With its commanding presence, smooth power delivery, unparalleled comfort, and cutting-edge features, the Gold Wing Trike is not just transportation, it is a lifestyle choice, a travel partner, and a symbol of adventure on the open road.